I was so high I did not recognize the fire burning in her eyes, the chaos that controlled my mind.
We whispered goodbye and she got on the plane, never to return again, but always in my heart. This love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before.
Her heart is breaking in front of me. I have no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Djevojko mala, pjesmo moga grada, što si mi dala, srce puno sna.